Okay, listen, pay attention. Woloso Inca, a noble novelette, whom we all respected in Nigeria, one of our own, a noble novelette. The man who wrote The Man Died. Recently, we do no longer understand its exhibition of bigotry and manalism. Woloso Inca, the African proverb said, when you respect a king so much that you do not know how to talk to him anymore, you cover your face with a basket and talk to him. Woloso Inca, I cover my face and I tell you the truth. Your recent behavior and speech towards politics, we, the youths of Africa, do no longer understand you. It is you who wrote in your book, The Man Died. And we are beginning to suspect if actually the man really died, because we do not understand you anymore. You are gradually putting a sword on the very first thing that forged your greatness. Should we fold our arms, close our eyes and akimbo, and blame your recent manalism and exhibition of ethnic bigotry to be the fault of old age? No, you are not the only old man that we know. Why are you confusing us with your gray hair? Wisdom should be coming out from your mouth, Woloso Inca. Wisdom. Why are you making us doubt everything we read in your book? You are a great man we used to know. Why are you changing from your ways? Why are you changing from your ways? We are becoming disappointed. You are gradually moving from being a legend to being a villain. You are not a god, Woloso Inca. You are a man after all. You are not an oracle. You are not in a place to tell people to be of Nigeria not to contest in the next election. Allow politicians to play their politics. Allow technocratics to forge into their affairs. Because even the man you endorse, we have not seen evidence. Woloso Inca, we are beginning to doubt if actually the man who died was you. Please, dodge from politics. Leave politics and speak what is truthful. We, the youths of Africa, are getting disappointed because all things we wrote from your book, everything we read from your book, you are contradicting it. And we are beginning to ask questions if actually you were the actual author of what you wrote. Remember, sir, that wisdom is a principal thing. Wisdom is the principal thing. And the town crier has spoken from the wilderness, covering his face in shame, because we do not understand this shame that you are exhibiting in the public places. He who has ears, let him hear the words of the town crier. Even the leaves bear me witness. For wisdom, Africa, wisdom is the principal thing.